In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter dropdown in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or someone starting your journey into the world of data visualization, this simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance the interactivity of your Tableau dashboards and worksheets. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type Tableau into the search bar. This is where your journey begins as you access the Tableau environment. Depending on your circumstances, you'll need to log in with your existing account credentials or sign up if you're new to Tableau. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Tableau workspace, which is your central hub for creating insightful data visualizations. Now, decide whether you want to use an existing workbook or create a new one. If you're continuing work on a current project, select that specific workbook. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and click on the option to create a new workbook. Remember, this is where you lay the foundation for your data story. With your workbook in place, you'll see a variety of options related to your data. Look for the Data pane on the left side of your screen. Here, you will select the field you'd like to filter. Click and drag that field to the Filters shelf, which is conveniently located just above your visualization area. This step is crucial, as it allows you to define what data you want to be filtered in your analysis. After placing the field onto the Filters shelf, you'll notice a filter pill appears. Right-click this filter pill to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Show Filter. Choosing this will add the filter visually to either your worksheet or dashboard, offering your audience immediate options to interact with the data. Next, to customize how the filter appears, click the drop-down arrow located on the filter you've just added to your worksheet. This arrow brings up additional settings specific to that filter. It's where you'll decide how users can interact with the filter. Simple, yet powerful. Finally, make your filtering style choice. You have the option to select either single value, drop-down, or multiple values, drop-down, from the drop-down menu. The single value option allows users to select only one value at a time, which can be useful when focusing on specific data points. Alternatively, the multiple values option enables users to choose more than one value, providing flexibility and a broader view of the data. And there you have it. You've successfully added a filter drop-down to your Tableau workbook, enhancing its functionality and interactivity. These steps empower users to explore data in a more dynamic and personalized manner, ultimately making your data storytelling more engaging and insightful. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow.